Hello leaders and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango. Today we're going to be working in a fun figure that you can add tonight at the Milonga. It'll be inside the basic step and it'll make it look so cool. Before we start working, make sure to subscribe, like the video at the end if you like it. That'll be much appreciated because you are really helping us to grow the channel. Now, enough talking, let's get to work. All right, here we go, leaders. We are ready to work with this cool exercise step that I use a lot at the Milonga. So, what is the thing? First of all, we're going to do an exercise for you to clean it, and later we're going to do it together. And at the end, stay until the very end because we're going to show you with Miriam how it looks together. Yes? So, first of all, we are going to cross, and we are going to cross with the right foot back and raise the heel on the front, which is the left heel is going up. Try this with me. 1 and 2. Now, once we do that, we cross, we are going to uncross. Important thing, pointing your toes down. Yes? Do not fly with your toes pointing forward. Down, and from here we're going to go straight to the next cross, which is brushing our calf and crossing. Did you notice that when I cross again, I did lift the heel on the front foot? Important thing, otherwise it looks clunky. You don't want to look clunky. So here we go. And pointing down, brushing your calf, heel up. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, if you're practicing this with me, make sure you have the tango position because we are going to start working also with the shoulder blades. Shoulder blades back, engaging your lat, creating the same position. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I feel always that I do almost a little tiny brushing forward, but right away I go to a passe position. Passe is just a fancy name for this, but it's we're going to go with our ankle close to the calf. Room, brushing forward right away, and crossing, and 1 and 2. So we could also, alternatively, we could go directly from here up. We can, both are correct. I just prefer, naturally works for me, that I go a little bit forward and right away cross. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1, 2. So that's the first exercise and we are going to do it together. So try this with me. I will do a diagonal. Follow me. We are doing side step, lifting, elegant position, change your body weight. When you change your body weight, if you notice, I'm doing something. I'm rolling from my toes down to the heels. Toes to the heels. Do not go heels, heels. This is clunky. You don't want to look clunky. So roll from the toe, ball of your foot, and then we are ready to go in cross system. From here, cross system, basic step, we walk into the, at this moment she will be crossing, correct? While she's crossing, we are going to do this. Cross, lift, cross, and we are ready to go directly to a resolution, front, side, together. Small step, and I will do it on that direction. And 1 cross system, remember toes, soft, gentle, walk, she's getting into the cruzada and cross, cross, to walk inside together, that you probably already know it, yes? So let's try this one more time with a little more dynamic because this has to be fast. We cannot stop the follower forever while we try to do our thing. It has to be like pa, 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 yes? Try with me, energy on those legs. Quick note before we continue.
We would like to invite you to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you can see our tango school online tango training.
Just simply go to miriamleonardotango.com and you are going to find a lot of videos downloadable, and also you can have unlimited access to all of them being a member of our website. Tango training for followers, tango training for leaders by themselves, solo training, also for couples, milonga, vals, choreographies so you can practice and follow along. We have playlists, tango music playlist, a lot of things.
So one more time, the webpage is miriamleonardotango.com. And now we go back to the video.
So here we go. And 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the counting, that is the rhythm that we are going to be using. One more time together. 1, 2, and we change right away. 1, change, and we go 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to start. 1 and 2 all over again. I was just putting random numbers, but just to have the dynamic, the syncopation during the cross. We are going to do this now with Miriam, so let me call Miriam, and together we are going to show you this. So if that will be that easy, we will all have partners like Miriam. So here we go. We're going to show you this very quick. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Easy peasy. So something that I'm doing, and that's why she kind of waits for me, because we have an extra bit doing this, is I'm lifting her. Once she crosses and uncrosses, let me show you what I mean. Crosses and uncrosses. 1 and 2. Once she crosses, I will cross. Naturally, her next step is going back for her. So I will lift a little bit so she gets ready for that step. But before that, I'm going to hold her up and change my body weight during the cross. That way she doesn't change the leg or any other strange thing. I'm just lifting her. That's the way she waits for me. And from here together, we go to a resolution.
For the followers to feel that lead, remember you have to have the shoulders down and give some pressure down. Not too much, not too heavy, but if you are light, when they lift, you don't feel it.
Yeah.
You look like this.
Like a noodle.
Yeah.
So one more time. And here we go. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 with syncopation. Very good work, guys. I really hope you enjoy the figure and you can apply it tonight at the Milonga. And I'm pretty sure that you're going to be able to use it with any follower. Once again, thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.